Hello friends, I welcome you in lecture number 8 on L'Hospital rule. In this lecture, we are going to discuss this question which was asked in GTU Winter 2016 exam. So let's try to evaluate this limit. First we write down given limit. It is limit as x approaching 0 e raised to x plus e raised to minus x square minus 2 divided by sin square x minus x square. So first we determine the type of this indeterminate form. So if we take x equal to 0 in the numerator, then we have e raised to 0, that is 1, plus e raised to minus 0, that is also 1, minus 0 minus 2, so that is 2 minus 2, which is 0. So numerator approaches 0 as x is approaching 0. Similarly, if we take x equal to 0 here, we have sin 0 minus 0, that is 0. So this is 0 by 0 type indeterminate form. So we can apply L'Hospital rule, and L'Hospital rule says that we have to differentiate numerator and denominator separately. So first we write down derivative of this numerator in the numerator here. So derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, derivative of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x times minus 1, minus derivative of x square is 2x and derivative of 2 is 0. And we write down derivative of sin square x minus x square in the denominator. Derivative of sin square x is 2 sin x into derivative of sin x, which is cos x, and derivative of x square is 2x. So we have applied L'Hospital rule. We have differentiated numerator and denominator separately, and we obtain this limit. First we rewrite all these things and then we check what we have obtained. So this we can rewrite as e raised to x minus e raised to minus x minus 2x, and if you remember, 2 sin x into cos x can be written as sin 2x minus 2x. Now we again see what we obtain when we take x equal to 0 in the numerator and denominator. So if I take x equal to 0 here, I will have e raised to 0, that is 1, minus e raised to 0, that is minus 1, minus 2 into 0. So numerator becomes 0 if we take x equal to 0. Similarly, this becomes 0 when we take x equal to 0. So again we have 0 by 0 type indeterminate form. So again we will apply L'Hospital rule. For that we have to differentiate numerator and denominator separately with respect to x. In the numerator we have e raised to x, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, minus derivative of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x times minus 1, minus derivative of 2x is minus 2. Now we write down derivative of sin 2x minus 2x in the denominator. Derivative of sin 2x is cos 2x into derivative of 2x, which is 2, minus derivative of 2x is 2. Now we again rewrite all these things. Here we can take 2 common, so that will be 1/2 that we write outside this limit, and we rewrite all these things. E raised to x minus negative negative positive plus e raised to minus x minus 2 divided by, here we have taken 2 common, so we are left with cos 2x minus 1. Again we check by taking x equal to 0. So if I take x equal to 0 here, this is 1 plus e raised to 0, that is again 1. So we have 1 plus 1 minus 2. So again we obtain 0 if we take x equal to 0 in the numerator. Now we check this for x equal to 0. So cos 0 is 1 and minus 1. So again we have 0 by 0 type indeterminate form. So again we will apply L'Hospital rule. Again we apply L'Hospital rule. Again we differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x plus derivative of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x into minus 1. Derivative of constant 2 is 0 and derivative of cos 2x minus 1. So that we write in the denominator. Derivative of cos 2x is minus sin 2x into 2 and minus 1. So now we check what we obtain. This is equal to 1 by 2 limit x tending to 0. Here we have e raised to x minus e raised to minus x, and this we can rewrite as minus 2 times sin 2x. Again we take x equal to 0, so we have e raised to 0, that is 1, minus 1, that is 0, divided by sin 0. So again we have 0 by 0 type indeterminate form. Therefore we again apply L'Hospital rule, and before applying L'Hospital rule we rewrite by taking this minus 2 outside this, and we are left with limit x tending to 0, e raised to x minus e raised to minus x divided by sin 2x. So this remains 0 by 0 form. We have just rewritten this by taking minus 1/2 outside, and we are already having 1/2 here, so that will be 1/2 into minus 1/2 minus 1 by 4. Again we apply L'Hospital rule. Limit x tending to 0, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x minus derivative of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x times minus 1. Derivative of sin 2x is cos 2x into 2. So this is going to be minus 1 by 4. We can take this 1 by 2 outside, and we rewrite all these things. Limit x approaching 0. This is e raised to x negative negative positive plus e raised to minus x divided by cos 2x. So finally we obtain minus 1 by 8. Here if we take x equal to 0, then we have e raised to 0, that is 1, plus e raised to 0, that is 1, divided by cos 0, which is also 1. So we have minus 1 by 8 into 2, that is minus 1 by 4. So we have applied L'Hospital rule so many times because we obtain 0 by 0 form here repeatedly. So keep in mind, once we obtain 0 by 0 form, we can apply L'Hospital rule, and we will continue this unless we did not get this 0 by 0 form. So this is simple. You just have to remember L'Hospital rule, that if we have 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form, we have to apply L'Hospital rule. That is, we have to differentiate numerator and denominator separately, and we will repeat this process until we get this type of finite real number as the answer of limit. So this is all about this session. I hope you like it. Keep watching. Thank you very much.